Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Miata soft top. First, identify any issues like leaks or a poor fit. Next, gather essential tools such as a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm wrench. Finally, ensure your car is parked on a level surface, providing a stable base for your adjustments. This preparation ensures a smooth and effective process. Now, let's adjust the top's tension. Carefully locate the tension cables or straps, usually found along the sides of the soft top frame. Use your wrench to loosen the retaining bolts or screws, but do not remove them completely. Make small, incremental adjustments, testing the fit after each change to achieve the perfect tension and eliminate slack. Next, focus on the latches and frame. Inspect the latches to ensure they engage properly and securely. If needed, adjust the latch strikers on the windshield frame to achieve a tight, secure seal, preventing wind noise and leaks. Also, visually check the entire soft top frame for any bends or damage that might affect its operation. For your final steps, test the soft top's operation multiple times, raising and lowering it to confirm smooth movement and a secure fit. Consider applying a high-quality, weather-resistant sealant to the fabric to protect it from the elements and extend its lifespan. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Regular maintenance will keep your Miata's top in excellent condition for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.